So in this video, I'm demonstrating the PXN uh, V3 Pro. So as you can see, in this game I'm playing BeamNG Drive. But for demonstration only, I'm using low quality graphics right now. So right now it plays only 30 FPS in game. Actually, it's quite fun to play. Just a small experience about driving. Maybe or in case you want to be familiar on how to drive the steering wheel, so maybe this game control will be applicable for you if you don't have four wheels yet. As you can see, so right now maybe we can say that this controller is quite good. You can see right now, but depends on familiarity. Right now I'm only new to this game, so might a bit quite difficult for me. Right now, like you can see the accelerate when I push the accelerator, it automatically hit the going to the left. So maybe so by applying a small brake, it actually brakes full. So you just maybe you just I don't know what you call this, but you just push it slowly, then so that it will not break full break into full. So a bit difficult for me because I'm new to this game, and I'm new to this driving experience actually. So by applying small brake like this, I'm pushing the brake gradually. Oh, almost. So it's quite a long ride, but for me, it's quite a ride. Okay, just leisure ride. Let's call this. So I might try to do overtake. So in the road, it's actually illegal, but right now, yes, almost. But in real life, you can actually apply this kind of uh, this driving. Then actually BeamNG offers maybe near the near what you call this, near actual experience. Yes, near real life experience. Actually, as you can see, we will follow the arrow. It's a one-way road, I think. Maybe in the next video we'll try the in Utah, which has many road signs and traffic lights. So, oh, yes. Almost there, almost hitting the stones nearby. So, Oh god, there it is. So as you can see, a curved road is quite difficult for me because I'm new to this. Okay, where are we going? Okay, I think. Ah, so here it is. You have reached your destination. So I think we'll hit this. But I want to get back to where I have been. So I try. Oh, okay. So I damaged my front bumper, as you can see. It's quite okay. So be careful next time. So as you can see, my hood is a bit damaged, so I just push the insert button, then it will bring back to the new, to a pristine car. So actually, BeamNG offers almost real life experience when it comes to driving, but when it comes to mirrors, I think not really. I think I'm not really feasible. I think it's quite for fun or just miss driving. You can use this game controller. Game. Oh god. So right now I'm using automatic transmission, but I want to use the uh, manual, but I don't have the luxury to buy the shifter. I want to experience manual actually, because most of the cars here in Philippines offers only when it comes to budget, okay, budget friendly four wheels. Mostly manual is the most, okay, almost, it's the most affordable one. So let's try to do to tour what they can offer here. Okay. Oh, such a nice view actually. Like that. We're we're in lakeside view. As you can see the lake. But maybe in the future, I will buy a graphics card for this so that we can experience the almost realistic view and experience on this game. Oh god. Then okay. They just stop here. Maybe. Ah. So let me know guys how to analyze this. Okay, small movement sideways. But it's hard actually to do overtake. Okay, so we just hit the rock. So, yeah, the road is clear. Look at that. Uy, what the? I have been. I'll try this grassland to. Oh. You can see the lake. We'll dig deeper here. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So right now we're